your parents had the ability to provide you a financial head start so that you can live without a large debt burden, taking care of aging parents and starting a family.
Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, the channel that brings you the best tips, strategies and tools for building a profitable online business. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to share with you 8 tips for shooting marketing videos specifically for personal brand. Marketing videos are very important for any kind of businesses, and producing one seems very difficult. But after producing it myself as well as for some of my clients, I feel that creating marketing videos for your business is not that difficult as long as you know what to include in the video and follow some of the tips I'm going to share today. Tip number 1 is plan the video. Write a script and create a shooting sequence before you start filming so that you are clear of what you need to do and say. It will save you a lot of time during the shoot. Tip number 2, choose a clean and relevant background. Decorate the background with simple decor but don't clutter the background. Do not place anything distracting. Our main focus is the presenter or the person talking in the video and not the bear. So remove anything that's not relevant. Tip number 3 is to use a mic. Clear and crisp audio is the most important component in a video, and especially in a marketing video. This is so that you can communicate your marketing message clearly to your audience. Without using a mic, your audio will sound echoish like this. Now, do you hear the difference? Tip number 4 is use plenty of lighting. Sufficient lighting will improve your video quality tremendously. Your video will turn out looking more professional. Tip number 5 is to film B-rolls. B-roll is additional video clips used to supplement the main storyline.
Imagine how differently things could turn out if you take time to educate them on personal finance and set up vehicles to add security to their financial future now. Singapore is a costly place to live. In some respects, it's becoming even more expensive.
Shoot plenty of B-roll footage for each video so you have the option of using it later if you want to. You can use second camera to film and to shoot at a variety of angles. This will make the video much more interesting and engaging with a change of scene. Tip number 6 is to use a teleprompter. This is literally a godsend. It saves video creators tons of time and effort. You can read the script without appearing as though you are reading it. The best thing is the presenter do not need to memorize the script. It is extremely useful for people who is camera shy. So right now I'll be recording a short video using the teleprompter. Welcome to Video Teleprompter. This is an example script that you can experiment with to get started. As you can see, my eyes are looking at the screen and I do not look like that I am reading from the script. So it is very natural to use a teleprompter. Welcome to Video Teleprompter. This is an example script that you can experiment with to get started. This teleprompter is an iPhone app. I believe it's available on Android phones as well. So you can download it for free. It's called the Teleprompter. Tip number 7 is to use the rule of third. This is to create a good composition in your video by placing the subject according to the rule of third, which is along one of the lines of the 3x3 grid. So here is the 3x3 grid lines, and this is the subject. So we want to use the rule of third by placing the subject along the 2 lines that meet. So we don't want to put the subject in the middle or 2 on this side because it is not balanced. So we want to place it over here. Another thing that we need to take note is the headroom. This has too much headroom, which makes the subject look small, while this one do not have headroom at all. Your head appeared cropped. This will be perfect in order for you to get a balanced composition. Last but not least, the tip number 8 is to use a tripod and a gimbal to get steady and smooth footages. We don't want your video to appear shaky and it's hard to hold a camera completely steady. So use a tripod for the entire sitting down video and a gimbal for moving subjects. You can step up the quality of your marketing video dramatically by implementing these 8 tips. Which of these 8 tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment section below. Today's video, I have shared the 8 tips on how you can produce your own marketing video for your personal brand. The next video, I'm going to show you how you can produce marketing video for your products. So if you like this type of video whereby I share how to produce your own marketing videos, please do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!